Welcome everyone, here is how you have the iOS 16 beta. So the first step is you want to open up a browser. I'm going to use Safari browser, and you just want to Google iOS 16 beta Apple. From here you're going to see the Apple beta software program. Tap on this link. From here you're going to scroll all the way down and you have the option to sign up or sign in. So sign in only works if you've already signed up to become a part of the Apple beta program. For most people, you have not become a part of the program, hence why you're watching the video. Therefore, you will need to tap on sign up. It will ask you to sign into your Apple ID and just follow the on-screen instructions. For my case, I'm just going to tap on sign in. It will then ask you to sign in with your Apple ID and password, like I have done. You're then going to scroll all the way down until you see get started, and you see please enroll your iOS device. Tap on enroll your iOS device, then scroll all the way down and you should see install profile. So you're going to tap on download profile, and then from here you will see this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Tap on allow and then close. From here you're going to open up the settings app. You're then going to find general. You're then going to find VPN and device management. You should see downloaded profile and then the iOS 16 beta software profile. Tap on this one. From here you're going to tap on install, 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 and if it asks for the restart, just tap on not now and then done. So from here we go to software update, and you should see the iOS 16 beta show up. The only reason why you will not see a beta show up is because the public release of iOS 16 is the same as the latest beta. So in my case, Apple released iOS 16 RC, which is the same as the public release of iOS 16, and so what that means is I will not see a beta here. But for you, which really should be any time of the year, which isn't, today, you should see a new beta show up, and then you can download the beta and install it. When you want to remove the beta off of your device or unenroll from the beta program, just find VPN and device management, tap on the configuration profile, and just remove this profile off of your device. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.